Hey guys, it's Autumn. And Brooke, and we're back with our second snack crate. Yeah. We've been waiting a whole month for this.
She's even called and was like, when is my snack crate going to come?
And they was delayed because of the snow and stuff. So we finally got it. The last one was Ireland.
And Easter.
Is it Ireland? Yeah. In we don't know what this one is. We knew what that one was because it's fuzzy, but.
There's a diamond for someone who cares.
Yes, you do the one.
Don't judge me on my cutting, okay?
Okay, just making sure y'all can see.
Colombia!
Colombia!
It's sloth.
It's a sloth. I wanted a sloth for Valentine's, but my husband wouldn't buy me one.
Colombia is the sixth most diverse country in the world. Colombia has over 180 miles of bicycle routes, the largest in South America. When finishing a cup of coffee, Colombia soaks blocks of cheese in the cup and ate it.
Ew! We need to try that, but it sounds nasty. Cheese and coffee? Would you like cheese in that coffee, ma'am?
No, thank you. Colombia celebrates 18 national holidays, the second most in the world. 1 out of every 5 butterfly species is found in Colombia. Oh, that's awesome. Colombia hosts the world's largest theater festival, the Iberoamericana. I don't know how to say that, but
okay. I need to solve.
Stickers! Man, there's food on that sticker.
I want the sloth.
Okay, are we going to take turns pulling out and reading what it is back and forth, I guess? Like,
oh.
My turn.
I'm going to try to read it. I don't want to read
well,
the language.
Planitos. Plantain chips. 100% natural preservatives. Ta-da! You want to see what it tastes like? Planitos. These crispy and lightly sweet plantain chips
all the bananas in it?
Staple throughout Colombia. They don't tell nothing about it, really.
Let's see how it smells. Supposed to smell test. The banana chips, huh? They look like banana chips.
Taste it.
They look like bananas. Chips.
Ready? Go. That's not a banana.
Who put salt on bananas?
That's not a banana.
It looks just like a banana.
Ew, I don't like it.
Oh, it's like a banana chip salt go wrong.
It's basically a corn chip is what it tastes like, but it's nasty corn chip.
So we don't like the whatever that was. I forgot what it was.
Your turn.
It's the bubble wrap.
I still ducked.
A marshmallow.
Mellow gummy.
It looks like a unicorn.
I know, it does look like a unicorn.
Woo! Like this. Yep.
Colorful marshmallow braided around a center made of fruity gummy and candy. That sounds delicious, though. Okay. Ready for this? Here we go.
It's going to blow my mind. What's inside of it? There's something in the middle of it.
Fruity gummy candy. I already said that.
I was too amazed by the color and the softness. And
meh.
It's better than the banana chip thingy doodle.
Actually, I'm not sure.
But
why am I not? I'm probably the worst person to taste stuff with, just so y'all know. What? Archeras del Holo.
What's in them? Oh,
Stuff. Where you at, stuff? Ugh. What's this up again? Oh, these cheese flavored crackers are made from a churra, a native plant that grows at high altitudes in the
I don't
Andes.
know if it really has a smell.
It looks like those,
Stained off is a favorite mixed chips.
yeah.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like one?
Yeah. That's so good. I like
Much
it.
good. Ours is better.
I like it.
Oh, I got
Bad aftertaste. I was thinking the same thing. It's like a mushy powder aftertaste.
Oh. Yeah, we like. Yeah. This is good.
Snacky Carmelo.
It's a common chip.
Yep, that looks like it.
Oh god.
Light and crispy corn puff flavored
Hopefully
with
it's
sweet
better
caramel.
than that. That is.
It looks so
It
appetizing.
smells good though.
That's good. It looks like a caramel cheese puff.
It is a common cheese.
Hey, that's
It
good
tastes
though.
like a common cheese puff.
That's good. Okay,
Recommend these.
so we don't like that, but we like that.
Yep.
That is really good. I would eat a whole bag of that right now, even though I'm on a diet.
We're on a diet. This is the only snack we're supposed to have during the whole month. Some coffee. Delight. Candy. Coffee Delight candy.
I don't see it. Featuring a mix of chocolate
Oh,
and
it smells
famous
like
Colombian coffee.
Oh, it smells like coffee.
These chewy toffees are. Does it have cheese in it? Because I know y'all said something about coffee and cheese.
Oh my god.
Here we go. We don't have cheese. I like it.
Mm-mm, keep chewing. It might disappoint you.
Coffee. I don't like coffee, but I like coffee candy. That makes sense.
At least there ain't no cheese in it.
Pick one.
I picked that one. Ooh.
Manny Motto.
Oh god, that has a nasty taste.
Fruit-to-lay. Look, it's a popular brand in America too.
Oh yeah.
So, let's see. Salt roasted peanuts covered in a hard shell made from flour.
Not impressed.
I like it. She's not impressed, so I'm putting it over here, but I
Looks
like it.
the more and like the difference. There's more for the lady, so like she had to share with the other group, John and them.
Country burst of flavor. So it's a hard shell peanut. It's a peanut with some kind of flour on the outside of it.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my god, it's hard.
Smells like a peanut. Ow! I broke it!
Okay, good, but why? The peanut's already hard. Why do you want to put a hard thing around a hard thing?
Nah.
Tastes like a peanut. She just don't like peanuts. Okay?
I love peanuts, but this is a different taste.
Tastes like a peanut to me.
One packet, 200 calories.
Well, it is peanut.
I just go with this is good.
That is good. Chuckus!
Chuck it! I thought it said chuck it.
I caught it.
It said chuck it.
I thought it said chokis.
Oh god.
Okay.
This is chocolate. But
Buy some puffed corn balls covered in milk chocolate
cornball.
and delightfully unique snack experience. It's time for our delightfully unique snack experience. Chalkies. Available
Not
in
made
your
in America.
Not made in America.
Made in Colombia.
Colombia. Where's Colombia at?
I wanted to say that, but I felt stupid asking that question on camera.
Well,
Comment down below if with
Or
Colombia.
if you're from Colombia, shout out to y'all guys.
It's gone. It just dissolved.
Also, if you're from Colombia, let us know if any of this stuff is your favorite snacks.
I deal with this even though it just disappeared. What do you think?
I like it. You know, since we're doing a snack video, I thought about doing an American snack crate, which you can get an American snack crate, but us make them, and we have to like buy 3 things from popular gas stations and make our own box and show you stuff that's in our gas stations.
And if you want us to send you one, we might send you one American crate.
Okay.
But then we'll expect you to send one from your country to see if your stuff is good.
She might send you one because sometimes international shipping is expensive.
And thank God that snack crate don't have shipping.
Tocinta. Tocinta.
Placenta?
Tocinta.
Oh.
Only got toes in it, not pose.
You don't even know what a placenta is.
I do. Bacon chips. And it has lime. So bacon lime chips. I'm not even going to read it because
I thought you said you wasn't going to eat it. I was like, you better eat it.
Light and crunchy chips, flavored tasty bacon with a zest of lime. Oh, not light, lemon, lime. Well, I knew it was green. I knew that. You go first. Oh my God.
It smells like
Oh my God.
Oh my. It smells like a pig rind.
Ew.
It was good until that line stopped. It's burning my lip. Huh. It tastes like a pig rind.
That's why I don't
and then
like
that
it.
lemon. Oh, you don't like pig rind?
I don't like pig rind.
But lemon. Oh, it's burning my lip.
John will like that though. I'm gonna let John try this.
Huh.
Woo!
Some kind of peanut thing you do it all.
Bianchi? That's a lot of peanut.
No, it's not peanut. It's like palmer or something. It looks like a peanut, but it's got some kind of white cream in it. And it's 60 calories a package.
Sorry. Chewy
She's
caramel
gonna
bun.
pervert mine.
I do not. What was I even thinking? You don't know, so you don't know my mind was perverted.
And this is joke is over all the little kids' heads that they're watching.
There is no joke there. Chewy caramel bites filled with descendant white chocolate. Oh my gosh, this sounds amazing! Go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it. I want one of yours since that way we don't have to. We should have been doing that the whole time.
Oops.
Waiting. Okay.
It's hard. Chewy. Caramel. What's the other thing yet?
White chocolate.
Mm,
I love it.
delicious.
And not even nutritious.
Is it as good as the other thing you forgot what the name was? That you got in Italy? Island?
Chewy green thing.
Yeah.
It's not as good as that
Okay.
to me.
I like them, but they stuck to our cake.
They're like the caramel things that you can get in America too.
Oh, there's 2 kinds of them. Vanilla and
It kinda looks like it's
strawberry.
gonna say pizza, but it's like pizza.
Pizza sex.
It sounds like you said pizza sex.
Pizza sticks.
I don't know if I'm supposed to repeat that, but that's what it sounded like. Mine's vanilla and hers is it looks like a strawberry,
Yeah,
but it says fresa. Mine's vanilla. Let's see.
I'm gonna take. Okay,
Yeah, both strawberry and vanilla flavors. They're wafers. Yours smells good already.
Oh. This smells like a poppy stick. What do you call them? Poppy sticks? My favorite
It
strawberry.
looks like a wafer, like a regular strawberry wafer though.
And I get the
I mean,
vanilla.
it smells
but
like it.
the vanilla don't smell like nothing.
Strawberry good.
Vanilla's good.
What about strawberry vanilla?
I thought it was gonna mix. Oh, I like the strawberry, but okay.
She broke it.
I wish we could get something nasty and show our husband to try it.
A popsicle! No, that's a lollipop. Gimme.
They're all different colors. We won't get to try them all together.
Wait, is this the same?
I think them two are the same, but
Strawberry and watermelon.
yeah. So we're gonna have to be at.
I'll just trust your instinct there. All right, I'll do passion fruit, and you can do mango. And then let's go from there.
It's got bubble gum in it. Boom, boom, bomb.
Ew.
That makes you want to cry and want to take medicine instead.
Fruity lollipops with a bubblegum center that comes
No
in a variety of.
How was that one?
Not delicious, that's for sure.
I give it 3 X's.
Here we go.
I got watermelon. Hopefully watermelon don't fail me. Oh, look how pretty.
Hers looks prettier than mine.
And it looks like it's got seeds in it too.
This tastes kind of like medicine. It tastes pretty good.
It tastes like watermelon. I'm gonna finish this later.
I was gonna tell y'all what the chewing gum tastes like, but my teeth aren't hard enough.
Let's see.
Nope. Not happening.
You got a hammer?
Nope.
Jet!
And there's a jet on it, just so you know.
Jet.
Damn it, Daniel. Can you see the jet? Okay. And there's one for the husband. How about you leave both of them?
Yeah.
And we'll have this one.
Look at your mess. Look at Brooke's mess.
I didn't do it.
Blame it on
Wow! There's a picture in it! Oh my god! It's a frog, though.
So Jet has a free picture. It's a sticker.
Planeta.
Oh,
Oh, it's a sticker!
show it to everybody. I didn't even get to see it.
You said show it to everybody!
Some kind of yellow frog.
It's a Planeta Sorbeten. Okay. I don't know if I like it's just dark chocolate, I think.
What's a Paris style? No, it's not. Jet failed. 50 exits. No, I'm sorry. It's not as bad as that mango sucker. Oh, God.
I don't know if this is a sticker or not.
Bite into it. Stop holding it in your mouth.
It already tastes bad.
Colombia? I don't know. I think we got. What did I do in here? Do you like that? No. We got a few we like.
This one was the best. I still don't understand
We
this.
still got a lot of coffee.
We'll let them try that too.
Candy bar.
I think this is a sticker and it's not working. Try it. No.
You read.
Bonchi,
And she's freaking over a sticker.
Bar, Carmelo, and Manny. Crunchy wafer sandwich together with chocolate filling, then dipped in rich milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Is it a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just.
I wanted that sticker. I wanted to slap it on me. No!
Oh!
Okay.
There's more stickers than my other one, so you can keep all of them. So what's this one about? Peanut and...
It's, I forgot, wafer, chocolate dip, peanut, something.
God, I feel like it's been free. It got so much peanuts in it. Hopefully y'all still watching and didn't stop. Wait. Before we don't get no aftertaste.
They fell on chocolate.
Blech.
They don't know how to make chocolate.
Colombia, what's wrong? Did we try this?
Hey, I figured it out. No, we haven't. It basically looks like the big one of that, though. I figured it out. Colombia is good at caramel. That's about it.
I think we got everything. This is the last one, sadly.
Ba, ba, ba.
Okay, well, I guess we'll have to try this and then we'll say which one has been Colombia or Ireland.
I already know my choice.
This looks good.
Ew, it kind of looks green to me. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. What's the paper? It's got some...
Dancing woman.
Yeah, dancing woman.
I like that. These.
These are good. And we got some stickers. There's only a few stuff that I really like out of this. This comma cheese puff. That's weird. I don't really like cheese puff, but that's bad. Okay, Brooke. Colombia or Ireland?
Colombia, not Colombia, Ireland.
I pick Ireland too. Sorry, y'all, but
Sorry, Colombia. I'm not that big on caramel. I did love this, whatever this thing is, a lot, and it has caramel in it. Or it is caramel. I didn't like those as much. But overall, I'm not a big trier. And they didn't make me vomit, so go Colombia!
Anything else? Y'all want to know about Colombia? Brooke?
I already read some fun facts.
Like she said last time, look it up. We don't have time.
Look it up!
But anyway, this is our second one. I kept the island one, but Brooke's going to make a poster when we get like 2 more. I'm sticking some stickers on it.
Peace.
But wait for the other one. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification button and share so we can get out there. And totally funny out. What is he doing?
Saluting.
You know, why are you saluting to the fan?
Why are you not saluting to the fans?
What's up?
Yeah.
I have a coffee. At least there ain't no cheese in it.
Oh yeah. There isn't any cheese in it.
Stay tuned. We're gonna get coffee and dip cheese in it. I think in the next episode.
Yucky.
Laura wasn't recording.
I really was.